187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop, cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. It's what I used to know, it's so dope with. Listen to how a motherfucker flow shit. And let me know what's up, let the glass on. Thinking about the homies that passed on. Death Row, come and show you where the game at. And show you how my lyric name that. So when you wanna see me, anytime is money. Remember in the BE, yo, back to Vietnam, California. Ain't no damn thing changed, so let me warn ya. Every motherfucking minute you on the west side, the best side, 20 minutes, the best time. Walking down the streets of LA, stay strapped, cause niggas bust caps every day, yo. The 187 don't stop on the cover cops up on his bike. Dropping like this and like that. With they caps on the back. So when you in the CPT, you can't speak for fucking with the DRE. I got my eyes on the shit unfolding. There ain't be no trouble cause they know the type of shit that I be talking. If there's another one said, I'm a 44 good bucks. Like, hey nigga, yeah, don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. We get to the 2 and 2 and to the 1. Get away, get away, we got it done. And we fucking cover cop who said he wasn't 6. Now it's time to put they ass in the mix. Back on the streets with my khakis in the stores. Nuts from the caddy and I'm ready for the bar. Scared in the motherfucker cause I'm fresh out. But I got to make my green and plus they ready for me. They keep yelling murder but it won't stop. Until the last nigga let you know drop. Another nigga out, but I doubt that you really give a fuck what it's about. Now, 99 kids on the block with me. Not a motherfucking cop wanna knock with me. A C-O-M-B-I-C-T motherfucking D-O-G coming from the LBC. Get from the dock, walk in. A chrome 38, a 44 mag and do it. So what you wanna do? What you wanna do? I got the gauge, a Uzi in my motherfucking 22. So you wanna blast, nigga? Fuck, let me stick up, let me stop him, so fuck. You don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. You don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. To a motherfucker face it fall. Motherfucker till he starts to crawl. I guess I got to load the Glock again. Hit him with the hollow points and watch him spin. Fuck it, I had to do this quick. Grab the Glock 17. The clip was cooked. Tried to detect but did not detect. Perfect, so I keep on that ass. Pop fucking drops on that. I'ma stop him from getting blacks. Getting this track from a board. Sit back, relax. Cause I'm about to take my respect. I aim the 12 gauge straight from his neck. Got then I fade to the wind. Something on the zone again. Wanna start and it's on and it's on and it's on. There's an evil to your motherfucking dome and it's on and it's on and it's on and it's on. There's an evil to your motherfucking dome. Fuck them if they really wanna trick. Nigga, keep your hands on your motherfucking shit. You don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car. And you don't stop. Cause it's 187 on the motherfucking car.
The footage you are about to see may be considered extremely offensive and terribly inappropriate. If you are easily offended by explicit sex, drugs, violence, and disturbing content, we strongly advise you pick your ass up and get the fuck out now.
Tell me when to go. 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 That's my word. Bring it back to me. Can I have it like that? Can I have it like that? Wax on the radio. Conversation. City using the job. Telling me I don't know why. When you come up, when you've been doing it well, then
Sorry, I had the turntable at the wrong speed. You want to try it again?
DJ Rectangle. Hey, I'm right. I'm thinking in trouble. Stay started. Why do you have to do it like this too? Feels like a new day. Listen, now every time I come in, I hit you niggas with shit regardless. You get retarded and the niggas ain't got a clue on how the fuck I do what I do and say what I say and spit what I spit. You never even got across the crew. Cause you know I'm the only nigga that can overcome this. My really turn the prison to a motherfucking zoo. Then I come in and spit crazy shit and make niggas do exactly what I want them to. From my point of view, instead of trying to step up, you're still trying to play catch up and keep up with the way a nigga grew. These niggas panic and fret and get schizophrenic and let their emotions out. I doubt they can never test my crew. Take a second, check it. I reckon my records are better than whatever record you recorded. That's why your shit is true. You fucking idiot, I don't think you get it. I'm one of the greatest ever. Period, some of it is true. Now anyway, but if you ain't here to get me the reason, I think it's simple, but I think that it's really plain to see. No matter how much you try, no matter how much you make it happen, niggas can never ever really fuck with me. Cause I'll hurt you, and I will do you a thing or two, and I'll hurt you, and I'll finish it going for you. I'll sit on my head and do what you need. I'll sit on my head and do what you need. I have a fighting chance to move you a couple of like. I'll sit on my head and do what you need. I have a fighting chance to move you a couple of like. Smoking my balloon while I spit till I do it. What's the food to do? It's the rubber about the baby. You should just sit back and watch. I'm like, you just go have a house. This man says I'm allergic to beef. Please excuse me. My allergies are acting up like my God. You probably wonder when mother's thunder when everyone is running and ducking up under everything up on the block. It's not supposed to be more just to go into the building with shaky quiet. Trying not to start a riot and rock. But since we all started, we might as well have a party together. Rather than party, come on, let's get out your car. And you ain't got to do nothing special for this occasion. Just reach across the person and then on get to the club. Now anyway, but anyway, you can get me the reason. I think it's simple, but I think that it's really plain to see. No matter how much you try, no matter how much you make it happen, niggas can never ever really fuck with me. Cause I'll hurt you, and I will do you a thing or two, and I'll hurt you, and I'll finish it going for you.
I'm like a new breed of female. God made me, he was just showing off. Most niggas call a girl when they wanna give a dick. My shorties call me when they wanna get a brick. Cause bro, when I'm not spitting, I'm still like bitch in the kitchen with the higher vision. And the way I chef up, make you hang up your neck. See, I guarantee to bring that extra. Take a buck 30 or white, make 200 hard. And it's but a plus 70 grams of the hard. God, now that's a prophecy. I'm like a prophet, and I'ma have all my followers run through your project, smack the shit out of anybody that's not on my see me playing the private, but within the guidance, I'm a lunatic, crazy ass bitch with not enough sense, too much dollars. I'm at the top right off the fucking collar. Little easy, I know where I be, nigga. House, got the low crib in the secret location, laced it, put a strip home in the basement. Never keep the gun in the same place with the safest. Never keep the fun in the same place with the business. I got the low crib in the secret location, laced it, put a strip home in the basement. Never keep the gun in the same place with the safest. Never keep the fun in the same place with the basement. That's what to be, that's what to be. fake face, front camera. Club that hole with your little bandana. And I still got my jewels like my name is Santana. Low homie, y'all really don't know me. Looking for the squad, but see, I'm by my lonely. Bitches gon' pay, cause that motherfuckers own me. Like Puff and me, can't nobody hold me. Down from the boogie bar, snap with my hoodie on. Got pounds of the brown, right on the boulevard. Getting so down in the motherfucking titty bar. Like fuck these bitches, I'm trying to get busy. And I'm 19, so fuck body, yaddy. Look around, soft party. When I pull up in the pinkins, with the powder pinkins on 22 inches. Half black chinks, putting top out with the pink pins. Lace with the links, running platinum with the pink pins. What you gon' think then? What you gon' doubt then? You gon' wanna fuck them, bitch, I was saying fuck them. So now I'm having fuck just cock a little friend in the secret location. Lace it, put a strip going in the basement. Never keep the gun in the same place with the safest. Never keep the gun in the same place with the basement. Cock a little friend in the secret location. Lace it, put a strip going in the basement. Never keep the gun in the same place with the safest. Never keep the gun in the same place with the basement.
I'm loving life, what you want me to say? I'm loving life, what you want me to say? I'm loving life, what you want me to say? I'm trying to tell the whole world they're doing dumb in the bay. They don't care if you don't like it, it's fun anyway. We smoke bomb in the bay on a sunny day. It's raining buds, it's raining buds, buds, buds. Coming straight from her boat, got a front row, the trunk full and still want more. It's not enough, light it up and get fucked up. You gotta rack the wood, about to get sucked up. Yeah, bitch, shut up and swallow the nuts. I'm turning around and let me shoot it all in your butt. Cause I'm a freaky nigga when I get these sluts. And you a nasty girl, you like to lick these nuts. So when you call my phone and say pick me up, cause you want me to shove this dick in your guts, I'ma do it, fold you like a $50 bill. Fuck you real good and say, bitch, how's it feel?
Whatever you want, I got it. Most cars and chips, yard and sniff. Flood the boulevard with bricks, hard and soft, raw and flip. The guys flash over, she know about hoes, bras and strips. Hashtag I snuff them on with dicks, nasty nigga. Low ass receivers, cigar and flips. Like, this is fight thing, I do the right thing. Smack ass silly, bitches call me Swift Tick Willie. Cause my car tastes like now. Raiders on tracks like strawberries and crocodile gators. On backs like a scout for the Raiders. Turn rights in the house off your girlfriend blow. And she go, if she ain't legal, she can't Marvin Telly's. We can't go around and I ain't Robert Kelly. So act like the garden belly, face down, ass up. That's how I like the fuck.
Whatever you want, I got it. If it's money to make, let's spend it. Whatever you need, come get it. Yes, I'm with it.
It's your boy Gabe, about to set this motherfucker off. Drink some, smoke some, straight West Coastin' with my main man, my homie, my dog. Needs no introduction, but I'ma do it anyway. It's the West Coast King, DJ Rectangle. All you New Jack mixtape DJs, suck my dick, let's go. Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. Niggas run on the motherfucking stick, so G, you the quick squad cop. Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. Niggas run on the motherfucking stick, so G, you niggas ain't rich, you niggas ain't blood, you just little G. You would run around with thugs, you niggas ain't rich, you niggas ain't blood, you just little G. You would run around thugs, yeah, nigga, I'm loco, but not like Loco. Red rag in my pocket, got gang banging in the chokehold. Red spokes on my logo, oh no, nigga call me Coco. Gang got a fofo, dodged by the Bolo. Niggas rapping so-so, deaf like Jermaine talking about their gang bang. What's a West Coast nigga from an East Coast gang? A free 300C energy with a chain name, running with the Popo. Nigga even Bono, 50 start singing like Casey and JoJo. Catch me slipping, nigga, I hope so. You wanna go to war, we can do it on both. What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, Wangsta? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, Wayne? Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. Niggas running with a motherfucking stick, so G, you the quick squad cop. Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. Pick up the G, you the quick squad cop. blood, you just no G. Wanna run around with thugs, you niggas ain't script. You niggas ain't blood, you just no G. Wanna run around.
Talking about it, I be the gun. Call it all. I was born through the yin yang bang or anything. I'm just a star. Yes, new good. Take a man, I'm wrong, rubber back. Money change hands. I'm not this way. A little better day. Earn Sunday through Friday. Spin on Saturday. Yeah, that's the day. Get it up and keep it up there. Heat it up slowly, then quickly beat it up. Yeah, heat it up when the shit drop. In the big spots. When the players take a pop spot. See the scene on the back with a good spot. She get it real. So heat it up. Stay home, that is the angel. I'm in the condo, with zero pad. Most make excuses, winners make it happen. We can pull the rise out, give some to cry about, get some to live out. Inspiration people out, we can pull the balls out in a straight line. Boys ain't fine, then you take mine. Push your way behind, get on over game time. I'm like years ahead, have a life being scared, yeah. Get it up, when the shit drop, in the big spots. When the players take a pop spot, see the scene on the back with a good spot. She get it real. So heat it up, heat it up, heat it up, keep it up there. Heat it up, heat it up, keep it up there. Heat it up, heat it up, keep it up there. Heat it up, heat it up, keep it up there.
Wait a minute, your truck full of butter, pocket full of spinach. Y'all motherfuckers just rapping gimmicks. These motherfuckers just rapping gimmicks. Everything I spit, I love it. TT black, sky blue finish. About to chop the chops, you can see me better. Made it full stab, graffiti leather. I've been doing this since Easy's era. Arguing with Dapper Dan, he says PE's better. Hold it now, like Chuck said. Joe got a credible flow when I'm said. Say gangsters get back, who to Miami, so I did just that. I'm who to Miami. Me and OD go back to line 2. I was there to trade 6 chains up the wall. Oh, nigga, I'm burning up. Oh, nigga, I'm burning up.
That's best to me.
I want the DJ, nigga, turn it up. Oh, nigga, I'm burning up. Oh, nigga, I'm burning up.
That's best to me.
I want the DJ, nigga, turn it up. Enough to make a nigga go crazy. Enough to make a nigga go crazy.
can get buck wild, juvenile with the mics and shit. New York, ready for the likes of this. Then came the worst date, May 21st, 219. It's when my mama water birth. No spouse in the house, so she rolled herself to the hospital to see if she could get a little help. Umbilical cords wrapped around my neck. I'm seeing my death, and I ain't even took my first step. I'm in and out, I'm bringing mad joy. The rapper looking said he's gonna be a bad boy.
I give my left eye with the right I visualize the king of best eye. Checking the store, Tiana in the junior high. If I was in Brooklyn and B.I. was still alive in 2006, it might sound like this. NY 718 212s with shoes, rendezvous, it's like Moulin Rouge. High fashion, uptown Air Force Ones and Vasquez. Puerto Ricans with fat asses, Blaze Dutch masters. We dump ashes on models and S classes for you bastards. Catch a cab to Manhattan with that Broadway acting. You hype that belly shit and get you captain wrapped in plastic. Tells the captain, ass rides what's happening. I hear it, no speak, no evil inside the back.
In the family, if I'm not match, I'm without me. Look, I tell about my court, my mom tryna fuck. This cash on the paper, you can shout money, bitch. Now you can suck a that, or you can suck a dick. Okay, cook, okay, suck a shit. Lil' white, fuck a bitch, lil' nigga, take you on the pick up for little shit. Nigga, I ain't a spit, nah, I ain't a fresh clip. Nigga, I'm a big hit, nigga, I'm a run beat. I go hard, ask my bra. This nigga, what the shit, looking at y'all. Can't speak a run, but I'll be happy to say, stay calm. I last to put it through with it. DJ never seen a man like this. Baby, I'm a good boss, so I need to take a back and I put it in a real. Baby, I'm a monster, I do it real big. You ain't never seen rocks like this. Baby, oh, she's me, let me put it through with it. Yeah, nah, homie, you ain't got it fucked up. You ain't got as much money as us. Nope, when you still can't believe cause he got goggles on and he puts something on his fuck. Now all I gotta do is push a little break quick fast and the truck come out the stairs. Yeah, money ain't juice, motherfucker, you lose. I'll make you do the fucking something on this. Follow me, who want come catch the game? Hey, baby, motherfucker, the team. Shit, I ain't even know she was twerking like that. Yeah, motherfucker, fuck the machine. How old, baby? I asked to put it through with it. You ain't never seen a man like this. Baby, I'm a good boss, so I need to take a back and I put it in a real. Baby, I'm a monster, I do it real big. You ain't never seen rocks like this. Baby, you can see the bar, she's me, let me put it through with it. I go on and on.
touch it, bring
Hey, yo,
it, babe.
Swizzy,
Watch
I
it,
told these
turn it,
niggas I was
leave
coming
it,
back to
stop
bust
it,
it.
touch it, bring it,
Okay.
babe. Watch it, turn
Remix.
it, leave it, stop
Part
it.
two. When you see me in the spot, you can better check it. Y'all already know I'm a rap. Ain't no reason to check it. And y'all know that you can with me just for the record. Super straight on my rap. Mary J. Blige from the setting.
Baby, you can guess who it is. Mary J. Blige, I'm about to handle my biz. I'm on my grown on the floor, I left little kids in every hood. I've been on my people doing the biz.
Now you know who's really the queen, deliver them there. 730,000 verses quick on my sales. The haters watch and they watch, looking on pale. While I'm on a yacht overseas doing my nails.
Well, let me show you how we do. I gotta thank back and drop a compliment for it too. Busted tape, one of these to take two. You love the way we bring it in, how we do it.
I was selling out the stadiums, arenas and all. Only one when you Gucci king shop at the mall. Got your party in the theaters and then having a ball. And you loving the rock, rapping how we do it for y'all. Get at it.
Babe, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted.
Plus, this is serious.
When I dip and chill, don't need no guy got Beyonce lips. Looking like I could be like me, you're wrong. Boy, you smoking that cheap and chum. Everyone see fitness in the corner. You can hit it like a game of ping pong. If you give it 2 shots of Patron, they don't like what you take. Never go bust. Misdemeanor here, this shit don't be clear, y'all best be here. MC, y'all in career. I'm Britney Spears.
Babe, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop formatted. Try it, bring it, babe. Formatted. Watch it, turn it, leave it, formatted. Babe, watch it, turn it, leave it, formatted. Babe, watch it, turn it, leave it, formatted. Babe, watch it, turn it, leave it.
I'm from the land of the gangbang since I was little in the goddamn town. I'm from the land of the gangbang since I was little in the goddamn town. I'm from the land of the gangbang since I was little in the goddamn thing changed. Same old same, Bush run shit like Saddam Hussein. I cock and aim, cock and aim, cock and aim, clinically insane. To deal with this bullshit ain't today. If I sell some day, smoke some hay, you bitches wanna throw me up in Pelican's Bay. Call me an animal up in the system. But who's the animal that built this prison? Who's the animal that invented lower living? The projects, and God for Russell Simmons. That guy with Sugar Hill, I'm putting different kind of steel up to my grill. Y'all know what it is, here for your own kid. How these little niggas taking over showbiz. It was guns and drugs, they ain't wonder why you fuck with thugs. Jump the slugs, they ain't come around here and fuck with us. It was guns and drugs, they ain't wonder why you fuck with thugs. They wanna jump the slugs, they ain't come around here and fuck with us. There's boys in the hood, there's boys in the hood. Y'all wanna know why there's boys in the hood? Cause there's bugs in the hood, bugs in the hood. Nigga killed the crib and the blood in the hood. Cause when niggas get tribal, it's all about survival. Nobody liable. I got caught by 5-0. Grandmama came to court with her Bible. But when the judge hit the gavel, now I'm too far from my family to travel. I just came unraveled, signed the DA. Fuck, I got gaffled on my CA. State property, just like the year 1553. Looking for me, a one-way ticket out. Don't understand what's so hard to figure out. It was guns and drugs, they ain't wonder why you fuck with thugs. Jump the slugs, they ain't come around here and fuck with us. If it was guns and drugs, they ain't wonder why you fuck with thugs. They wanna jump the slugs, they ain't come around here and fuck with us.
say, how old are you? And now you're old enough to play this, not to turn to the dirty verse. I'ma do it to the third degree. If you ain't heard, baby, I'm a bit of a beast. If you ain't graduated, won't stay with me. See, I'm a folk call and graduate, but I like it. Instead of making it, stand. Put this on and don't forget it. www.makemesee.realhard.com.
Give it to me now.
Can we get into something? Folks play, we gon' get it jumping. Get you hot like a trumpet. So much suction down in the dungeon. And your makeup smudging. I'ma be banging on your drum like percussion. While the track is punching. Don't gotta be new for me to be lunching. Let me get around the bar. Guzzle up. Ladies trying to get it to star. I got a fan and a black guitar. Mama gotta play your part. Give it to me now. Look here, gon' play coochie, coochie. I'll be in your coochie, oh baby. Look here, gon' play coochie, coochie. I'll be in your coochie. See that in your coochie. See the print on that coochie. Damn, she fine, ooh, she cute. My Gucci suit make a coochie juicy fruit. Yeah, yank off the drawers, let me pin it on the wall. From my head to my dirty ceiling gon' fall. Let me see you pop, I'm hitting your G-spot. Plus the beat knot while you feel on that beat cop. If that's a Georgia peach, I got the peaches and cream. You know behind the scenes I'm known to do the freakiest things. While look at it, give it a kiss and spit on it. I give it to you good just cause I'm generous. Now get on top of me and you can play my game. Yes, no, say my name. Creep with me, you ain't gotta tell your boy who you sleep with. Trust me, you can leave your Victoria's Secret. Yeah, I was wet and warm like a big jacuzzi. And I know you're feeling me because I'm in your coochie deep side. Look here, get upside. Gon' play coochie, coochie. I'll be in your coochie, oh baby. Look here, get coochie. Gon' play coochie, coochie. I'll be in your coochie. Just from puffin' back to the block, straight to the top. For the money and the thing now, yeah that's right. Mansion after mansion, next stop the head. I'm slow with it, I'm so concerned with it. Got the hunger to go get it, don't want to spend it. You know how I ball play it, I'm ballin'. With this money we need, I'm ballin' it. Catch me in the toe, red bullshit, seats red piping. Want me to kick sign, stop icing. Tattoos on the arms, so Paris in the charm. Cause the flow to the bomb, no respect the bomb. First night it's down here, second night I'm on some shit. Third night before the twist, I ain't gon' hit the success. I never choice, I'm out right. I never move, I never miss, let's get right, alright? Got me rockin' with a flip, now that's drop, you see the keys to the bench. Got my niggas moving the bricks, we don't stop. With $1 million deal, homie, get that rock. These dudes keep cranking, money ain't going up. The spit one verse, a whole good soft up. Mine got a credit, look at the bus trucks. Good as rock, when I'm finished, all stuff. Y'all in the fight, we don't write it. Only that got the liquor license. Shop high prices, all prices. Different, it's like a game in the prices. Same unfaded, low the prices. Anything less, you roll in the dices. Nothing to stand, you ain't got the my shit. Shorty wanna quit to myself, I need my life. Go ahead and have a party, make a party too. Go ahead and touch your body, make a party too.
bottles tonight. Hit the telly, slap the skin all night. Hit the club all night. Reflection red up, doors with light. What's up, mama, what you doing tonight? How would you like to go to the flows tonight? Booty shaker, all out, it's a lot, and I'm ready to go. But do it again, no shit, nigga, come holla at your boys.
Waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking that's all I wanna do with you. I know I'm not wise, you've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you on me too. Please tell me I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move. Baby, tell me if you like it.
Get your glass ready, yep, your song's on. She getting so hot, she can keep her clothes on. Red Mac, hotels, hotels for Cassidy. We take it to the tour bus, this was nasty. You'll see if she's good, and here's my introduction. And we can do it all, deal not no corruption. CD on Nelly, it's your boy Russ. Getting big spins for red shade on the front. Getting big spins for red shade on the front. Getting big spins for red shade on the front.
What you working with? Baby, gotta eat, you gotta get right. Now you see that money, it's a front line. That Patron, get a nigga with shit. So wide, so be the liver pills. Popping and shaking, bring it home to bacon. These hoes, I'm taking the clothes, I mean they need it. What the hell you waiting on? Your ass gonna do. These doors in the club, you gotta come on with it. Swap it, pop, shake, pop, pop. Bitch, now the bitch sitting on the small. Close in the roll on my lip. With my mind, some bitches lying. It's okay, girl, in the club with his French boy in his face.
What you working with? Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at those eyes. Look at them hips. Look at them thighs. Got that apple bottom and the fat top. Baby girl, you a bad mother. Girl, I ain't tripping and I ain't hating, but I've been watching and I've been waiting. Like the way that you shake that thing. Looking like you finna break that thing. You need to let me take that thing. Put me back in the pain. Cause when I put it on you, bitch, you make me mad. You know I go hard, then I go deep. And it's all night long, we don't need no sleep. I had to do things, but you last name good. Make the line pop while I play with the hood. Yeah, you said you would. I didn't do it. Don't be scared, it's all good. Go, get it. What you working with?
From the soil where them rappers be getting their lingo from. You know what I'm saying,
shaking that ass on the floor, bumping and grinding at home. The way she's grinding at home, I feel down full control. Because you drunk, you drunk, you fucked up. You spit up, you want it, you take up, you fuck it up, waste it, shit, fix it, pass it. You drink off, get a new drink, put the bathroom sink off. Shoot clean, got a routine going, still got a few toes, showing few swings, showing I was dehydrated to the beat vibrated, I was revived. As soon as this bitch got ready to move to make the whips, and that was it. I better get laid out, get his thing from shit. To the right, from the one to the three, I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you can hold, and I get more ass than a drum and see. To the right, from the one to the three, I met a bad bitch last night. Let me tell you how I made a conversation at the Hennessy. I put it to the motherfucking mountain top. I heard motherfuckers talk, stay and drop. If I ain't got a rip, I'ma pick up a rock. When I punch your ass, I'm gonna continue to rock. Get your ass on the wall with your two left feet. It's real easy, just follow the beat. Don't let that fire girl pass you by. Look real close, cause strobe lights will have a party. Let's get it started. party. I'm looking for a girl with a body and a sexy strut. Wanna get it poppin', baby, step right up. They got great time, so move the body. I'm looking for a girl that will do whatever the fuck I say. Every day she be giving it up. Shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. I dance, and more I dance. Open your mouth for about 4 or 5 minutes. Take a little bit of this for my feelings. Switch but don't spit it, swallow and now finish. Yeah, me and Dave, you're cool G. Looking for a couple years with some double D. Pop a little champagne and a double B. Slipping in a double E. Bring it to the hell of a party. Let's get it started. I'm looking for a girl I can rock in my armored truck. Apple bottom jeans and a big old front. They got good time, so move the body. I want a bitch that's skinny and be dirty with no panties on. Knows that she can, but she won't stay no. Now look at this lady on me, sexy as me. Tonight I want a slut with you in mind. Heard she was strictly from a friend of mine. Now I'm over you, don't get mad at me. But I told her name, she was a freak. You said you was a slut, hope you don't mind. I told her how you like it from mine. Now shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that ass for me, shake that ass for me. We about to have a party, so let's get it started. I'm looking for a girl with a body and a sexy strut. Wanna get it poppin', baby, step right up. They got great time, so move the body. I'm looking for a girl that will do whatever the fuck I say. Every day she be giving it up.
Just going crazy, man. I'm a Northside boy, girls like hot talk. Some girls just like I walk come fly as ever and fresh to death. When I come around, you better catch your breath. I'm like, hey shorty, just drop that thing. I just wanna see if you can pop that thing. Young me, back with the track to blow your mind. Got 7 girls at the same time. It's no same line, say the pretty times. If you don't like the dance, I'll be like, never mind. Just get on and flow and do it. All you gotta do is put your back to it. Oh. This is young Nick, you know I'm rolling on the ducks. I'm a young dude, but she know I'm street smart. Had this girl, she's sweet, just like the sweetheart. If you see me in the club, no, I ain't a retard. And I'm flying flashy, and that's what you thought, girl. You can dance, so let me see something. You can roll with the team if you wanna do something. Stop it, shake it on the dance floor like Lil Jon. You can dip if you get low. Oh, show me what you're working when you look so fine. You just go jiggling my titties glistening. They shine when I'm whispering. A smile for a second, and the crowd starts shivering. Me about to blow this track up for back up. I wanna see back up.
girls are flashing. The hustlers, the passion, the bartender keeps flashing. I'm winning, so we rock hard. I'm getting so we rock hard. I hope this girl is stopping. She comes to me to pop it. You know I really like it. When it hits you, always like it. Cause I like the party, it's all around. Me and Laura Brody. Say, it's hard to control myself. It's hard to control myself. What it takes to make this boy be bad. It's hard to control myself. Hard to control myself. Or her lip gloss, her hips toss and forth side to side. And she touched the ground. It turned me out. I'm falling desire. Lord help me out this fire. This internal inferno. Hot and shot of purple. Her top was short and purple. Yellow dancing in a circle. When I feel like this, I can't resist. Stop it, don't make me hurt you. Say, it's hard to control myself. It's hard to control myself. Oh, what it takes to make this boy be bad. It's hard to control myself. It's hard to control
Me have a party, me come, me got this out. And girl, if you want it, you have to confess out.